All right, so I just popped in here, got a question on GU. Got a message to drop my take on GBP So I just popped in to show you guys what I see on GU. This is my bias. The market has been not very fast in the last few days. The yen has been pushing up. We did catch some 50 plus people on EA. Then it pulled back. For those who did the those who did the needful actually did snap that one, right? GBP, sorry, Euro AUD. When is this stuff? Just give me a minute, guys. For this, the recording will be up, no doubt. So not here, no worries. This is an unexpected session. This was from July 7. This is how much patience you need if you want to. So I just pulled this from the chart. The previous chart I dropped on GU during the breakdown. I'm going to go to the 4-hour real quick. This is just today, me anticipating further push to the downside. It's quite slow, but this was the breakdown we did. What price here? You see the date. Where is the date? Somewhere here, July 7. July 7, that's about over a week ago. Today is 16th, so that's about 11 days ago. If I'm correct. Yeah. I'm not actually 11 days ago. That's like 10 days ago. 9 days ago, yeah. 9 days ago. Getting my math messed up. Yeah, so July 7, I dropped that chart. It's in the group. I'm going to go back. This was on the 4-hour time frame. It was quite moving sideways here, fighting this place. But I could see the possibility of it dropping down, but it had to take out this point first, which was why I said, guys, wait for that breakdown or that break. And there you still have everything. That's it there. I'm not taking anything out. So I can't make this up. Absolutely smashed that. If you held on or if you entered 178p, personally, I missed this one. Gutted for real. But now that's dropped down. That's taken out that point. Huge push and is dangling around that zone. But I'm still anticipating a possible push to the downside, guys. As long as it stays below this size here on, let me go to this other time frame now. See, it has made an equal high there. You see that as long as it stays below this 134, let's call it 134,100. As long as it stays below there, I'm repping for sales. Right? So I just called out to sell. Let me even drop the details. My TP will be a little bit high, not low. So this time you have to adapt to the market movement. You don't have to say, I'm going for big moves. No, adjust to the situation on hand. Unless you're trading indices that move quick and big. But learn to take small moves, be satisfied, and get out. GPUSD sales. Entry, I think I'm going to say 133,700. Sell. 134,100. TP is at 1.3 TP1, 1.33 3300. CP2 is going to be at 1.5500. Yeah. So there I just dropped the GU cells, my thoughts. Let's see how that one goes. Okay, so that's what GBP USD, guys. I was having eyes on the yen. I hope it hasn't taken off. I had eyes on the yen as of yesterday, but I think we still have a possible GJ. This was also from GJ last. That was around that same week. All the pairs actually did play out, but they did not come to where we wanted them. Hence, why we missed some of them. Now, this one has been the one that has been dangling up and down. Some persons are still holding this. I'm still holding a small percentage of it. Euro UD. All right. We did. It said the buy is still active. We did buy it from around here. As you can see, pushed up 50 plus pips. Let me show you right now. See that? Pushed up to that point, 58. Then I think I closed part around here, which was when I dropped that move, that information. But it still looks good. It hasn't pushed down. So we could still see this erupt to the upside. Gold, shout out to Mr. Luke. We did actually talk about this one. The sales were incoming. And we could see this tank really. We could see this tank because look at that. We really have a small sell setup right there. Rejects at this point, no doubt. Comes down, hits, breaks. That's a break right there. At that level, that's a typical break and retest. For those who are familiar with this move, this was the perfect drop. That's where you could have taken your sales right there. Right now, it's fighting this low until it creates a good new low. I'm not going to get in on any sales again yet. So if it breaks it low like that, pulls back up, similar stuff it did here, that's what I'll be looking for before I'll get in on any other move. So basically what I need to see is, let me see, this. That's what I want to see. If it doesn't give me that, no move. That's on gold. Let's go look at let's go look at the yen. Let's look at the yen. I'm going to start with EJ. I think I looked at Chef JPY yesterday. I think that's the one I'm going to look at today again. Okay, so Chef yen. You see a pullback happening. Personally, from what I see, let me go to the daily. Well, we do have a zone where price could actually come down to this point. And that's where I would want to see what pops. This zone. That's one area, and then this another area right there. All those are on the daily, so let's see what's popping on the other time frame. Yep, we do have this. This is actually close to this point, really. And what did I do? Okay. So guys, I'll just wait. I like this point better. Let me take this out. It's rejecting there. So these are the two. This is where I would want to watch price. Here. So I would say watch price here for buy continuation. So I'm looking for price to bounce there. Good sales. Good could actually drop. I'm going to go look at it again on the smaller time frame. So there we go, guys. Those are my takes. I do like the spares that we looked at. So keep tabs, and then gold. Yeah, that's what I said. That point is really, really fighting it. I've got to wait to see what pops. Yeah. So except GJ is also pulling down. GJ could actually make for a good buy also, because look at this. I think it's just the manner with which it's pulling down that's a little bit of concern, but it did break this high though. So as long as it stays above here for GJ, yeah, I won't consider the buy. As long as it stays above that point. So those are my quick take on these pairs. Let's wait and see. And if you watch also, these points corresponds very well with, that's not what I want, that's trend line. Yep. As long as it stays above here, Don't let my too many lines confuse you. I'm thinking of taking out this one. Let me just take it out. As long as it stays above there, I always consider the bar. Honestly. Okay. So Euro yen. I did say I'll look at Euro yen. I have Euro yen on my chart. How come I can't find it? There you go. They're all pulling back. They're all pulling back good. So Euro yen, looking at it really on the 4 hour, I could see a 4 hour zone that I'm suspecting this could be it. All of these pairs could settle tomorrow. Yeah, that point is good. All of this could be playing out tomorrow. So it's to be patient, very, very patient. Don't move. Don't move before the pairs are ready to go. So Euro yen is another one I also do, right? I fancy the buys. Point. I do like this one very well. Okay. So there you go, guys. This is Gbpusd here saying don't stop when you're tired. Don't stop until you are insanely freaking proud of yourself. It's going to whack you in the head. It's going to require you to make sacrifices financially, time-wise, emotionally. But those that stick are those that win. You're going to hear me saying that a lot of time. From my experience, don't get tired of hearing it, because if you actually do listen and pay attention, you get the results you seek. That stuff that you haven't been able to shake off your mind. It's just what you're capable of calling you. But it seems like it's so far, but it's very close. You just have to tweak your habits a bit, keep it in front of you guys. I'm going to show you guys, I'll teach you guys something about the subconscious mind, something that is scientifically proven, works every single day. The secrets that have been used by the biggest possible people in the world that you can think of. You too can also use that. It's available to you if you can, if you're willing to use it. Right? There's big potential here. So watch out for the buys here. I'm seeing a key area also here. This is my preferred zone, but don't fail to pay attention to this point also. Talking about Euro yen. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys on the next call. Peace out.
All right. Thank you.
All right.